Can lightweight aggregates be used in rapid set concrete?
Yeah, the direct answer to that question is yes. Lightweight aggregates can be used with rapid set. Really, any aggregates that are normally used with any Portland cement concrete can be used with rapid set. That's what gives it its flexibility across the country. You can use the local aggregates as well as standard admixtures. The biggest admixture that we use is a retarder to control the setting time of the concrete. We recommend most of the time citric acid, but some of the commercial retarders will work as well as air entrainment and plasticizers. So it makes it easy to use it across the country without any real problems. Now I'm going to just show you a little job where we use the lightweight aggregate. Okay, this is the Route 1 and 9 lift bridge truck route in Newark, Jersey City, New Jersey. They were replacing the steel grid with an exthermic deck, and they needed a concrete for the closure pores to tie the exthermic deck to the steel below. And as you can see in the foreground, they were going over multiple weekends to do it. So they placed the first panels the first week, and this is the second week. This is just showing the layout of the exthermic panels and the openings that needed to be filled with concrete. Okay, on this job, we used a volumetric mixer, which is basically a mixture that holds the sandstone and cement separately, drops it into the chute where there's an auger, and then the auger mixes it and the liquids are added there. The good thing about this type of mixer is that you can turn it on, turn it off, so that you don't waste any material. They were replacing with wheelbarrows here, so you could fill the wheelbarrow up, shut off the mixer, and all the other ingredients stay dry and good. This is just a view of the concrete coming out of the auger. On the left side, it's going into that bottom part of the chute, and the water is added there. And then it mixes in the long part of this chute, and then comes out the end into the wheelbarrow. This is placement of the concrete between the existing panel and the new panel to tie them together and to tie them to the steel. You can see all the studs to hold it down. This is looking down into the pockets, and you can see the horizontal studs as well as some vertical studs to hold the panels together as well as holding them down. As you can see, it's a typical concrete placement, even though using a wheelbarrow is a small volume, but you just vibrate in the concrete and then hand finish it and then cure it. And this is the finished product at the end of that day. So you can see working over a weekend, they got a fair amount done every weekend without too much disrupting to this truck route. That's why it was done on weekends, because most of the volume of traffic travels during the week.